Hey, welcome back to As the Monkey Virus Turns. Okay, this is look at something a little different. We're going to look at we're going to calculate the rolling totals for new cases, new deaths, but we're going to do it by year and date. So what we're hoping is every time the year changes, it's going to go back and restart the counter to zero. Okay, so that's just pretty straightforward. Hopefully, go group by. Now, supposedly, you can actually put the group by inside to summarize. Let's see something here. Maybe something like that. Let's see. That's interesting. Useful function, center spread range. Huh. Okay, I guess not. Okay, so anyway, you've already ran the update code. Pretty straightforward update code, right? Just the usual suspects. Read in the required data. Pulled out the world data. Did some stats here along the way. Now we're going to try to do the running total by year and date. Now there's only going to be one total for each date. But it's going to be cumulative from day one up until December 31st of that year. Then it's supposed to reset, okay? Let's just see what happens here now then. So you can see 2002. So you can see there was a lot of dates. There was a lot of dates when '23. Yeah, you can see the trouble is there's a lot of dates missing, okay? So what we want to do is let's just check something out here. Well, let's just come down there and let's just see what happens, okay? Suppose we do something like this. Yeah, but see, well, yeah, because again, well, yeah, but it doesn't appear as if the dates are actually rolling up. Okay. So anyway. It doesn't look like it's actually doing a continuing total, okay? Let's try this. Let's come back up here. And let's say see, because we get all these decimals here, and we're only interested in the 3 years. Change that to a factor. Okay, that's exactly what we're looking for now. Now the question is this the correct formula? But I don't think it's doing the running totals right. Sure, okay. Yeah, you're close. Apology stomach. Well, that's close. That's close. I see something. for each date anyway. Excellent. Okay, good. So let's just get rid of this. Back over here. We've already got the dplyr library installed, right? Good. Good, good, good. Okay. Now this, my dear friends, is interesting, okay? What we're looking at here is the cumulative cases by year, where the cumulative count starts over every year, is reset every year. So you can see the current cumulative cases is like nothing, okay? It's like nothing. Let's see something here. Let's do a comma. If I can smell. If I can smell with. Okay. Did I spell cumulative right? Don't just sit there. Let me know if I spelled cumulative right or not. Cumulative.
Here's the definition of punitive.
Cumulative.
Here's the definition of cumulative: increasing or increased in quantity, degree, or force by successive additions.
Okay, so what we see here is pretty straightforward. I mean, the cumulative total for 2024 is basically nothing. I mean, look compared to 2022. So one question might be is, why did this happen? Okay, why does this happen? Why is there so few? Uh, And you notice there's a bit of a jaggedness here. Well, that's probably because there's a lot of dates when nothing was reported. Okay? So there's one. Let's save this. So there's that. Let's go back up here now. Let's just double this now. Let's see what running depth looks like. Okay, but even back over here, there wasn't that many deaths. Okay. Well, there was, 80,000 cases, 90,000 cases here. Actually, I believe the total is 88,000. But again, we come back over here. So again, this is why cumulative totals can be so misleading. Because we could have a single line by which we did, which shows from the first case to last. Well, that's misleading because it makes you think, oh my gosh, the cases are going through the roof. Deaths are going through, well, of course, the cases today, you can see our cases and deaths are not going through the roof. They're about, the total cases is about a half, the total deaths are about a half of what they were back in 2022, okay? So there you have it. There is your running totals by year and date.